Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Webflow. This is a fundamental skill that allows you to expand your website structure and create additional content sections as your site grows. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Webflow dashboard where you can access all your existing projects and sites. In your Webflow dashboard, look for the section that displays all your sites. Hover your mouse over the specific site where you want to add a new page. When you do this, you'll see several options appear. Click on Open in Webflow to launch the editor for that particular site. This will load the full Webflow design interface where you can make changes to your website. Once the editor loads, direct your attention to the upper left sidebar. Here you'll find various tools and options for managing your site structure. Look for and click on the Pages button. This will open up your site's page management panel where you can view all existing pages and create new ones. In the Pages panel, you'll notice a plus button. Click on this button to begin the process of creating a new page. A menu will appear with different page options. From this menu, select New Page to start building a fresh page from scratch. Now, you'll see a field labeled Page Name. Click into this field and type your preferred title for the new page. This title will determine how the page is identified in your site's navigation and structure. Once you've entered the name you want, click the Create button to finalize the new page. And that's it. You've successfully added a new page to your Webflow site and you can now start designing and adding content to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.